Welcome to our English story lesson. Today's story is The Crow and the Pitcher. Let's learn English together. This is a story about a clever crow who was very thirsty. One hot day, a crow was very thirsty. He flew here and there looking for water. At last, he saw a pitcher with a little water in it. He tried to drink, but his beak could not reach the water. He tried to tip the pitcher over, but it was too heavy. Then, the clever crow had an idea. He picked up small stones and dropped them into the pitcher one by one. The water slowly rose higher and higher. At last, the water was high enough. The crow drank the water and flew away happily. Lesson learned from the story: The Crow and the Pitcher. At first, the crow was very thirsty, but it could not drink because the water was too low. It did not give up and started thinking about how to solve the problem. Then, the crow had a clever idea. It picked up pebbles and dropped them into the pitcher to make the water rise. Finally, it succeeded and was able to drink the water. Lesson: when you face a problem, don't give up. Think carefully and use your intelligence to find a solution. Key message: always be persistent. Be creative when solving problems. Never give up when you face difficulties. Vocabulary from the story, English only. Crow, clever, thirsty, looking for, saw, pitcher, glass, water, inside, too low, reach, idea, picked up, pebble, dropped, slowly, rose, higher, finally, drank, happy, beak, narrow neck, excited, surprise, satisfaction. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this story and learned some new English words today. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell so you never miss a new video. Have fun learning English, and see you next time. Sparkles, bye bye, everyone. Sparkles.